We're back, guys. Doing a dawn session here. Chasing some big boys on cast, but also on drone. So, see if we can have success again. Thanks for tuning in. Definitely swelly out there. Gonna give it a fair thrash. About to send our first bait. We're in the water. Drop one. Tide is definitely coming up. It's been a little bit anxious. Love that sky, mate. Getting any nibs yet? It's early days. Actually, it's not early days. This spot is no good this time of year. It's too swelly. I'm coming on a high tide. I knew we shouldn't have come here on a high tide. Never mind. If you get bites, it'll be all worthwhile. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was real! Oh! Out of nowhere! Oh! Think I'm on? Yeah, I think so. Something small. Head shakes, I think it's a pinky. I'm glad I was on the rod. Imagine running and big swells come through. I just had to hold it the whole time because it was dipping in the seaweed. All right, come on baby, let's get this boy in. Or girl, whatever you are. Oh, a little bit more zinging going on. Might have pulled me into some reef. Yes! Got him. Oh no! Let's see if we can get a mulloway. Have I got your line here, or is it my? It must be my line. If we can still hang on to that, I might be able to tie it back on and then see if I can resume battle. He's off there.
Just undo your
sinker.
Untwist it there. Recovery!
Could it be? Just got to take my time here and not piss up. So hard to do when you're down the beach. Just got to relax, not stress, just get it done. If it doesn't work out, what have I got to lose? I've already lost it all anyway. That's one half. Just got to do one more loop now. So you do two loops. You've got to try and pull them against each other. Right, now let's see. Right, that should hold. You got your scissors handy? Yep. Just gonna have to cut these little bits off. Can't let yourself get stressed in these situations. Just gotta pretend like everything's fine. Be nice and calm. We've got nothing to lose at the moment.
Everything to gain.
Everything to gain. Thank you, sir. Right, now, with a bit of luck here, I should be now able to get onto this line. We're hooked on this rock. All right, I'm off the rock. Seaweed. We're over this way. I think so. No way. Are you serious? If this comes off. This will be the greatest catch of all time for me. I think I'm getting head shakes. It's either that or it's just a massive bit of seaweed. Oh, that felt like a head shake, dude. Really? It's a snapper! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Up here, man. Get it up.
Oh, dude! Oh! Oh! No way! No way!
That's your line.
Oh, I thought you just found some fish oil too.
No, I was just winding it up.
But how when I just got everything back?
No, this is half your line.
Seems like I've still got a lot there.
That's it there, mate. That's all your rest of your line.
Oh, I'm not gonna...
Just rubbish, mate. I'll put it in a bag.
Oh!
What a recovery!
That's the greatest recovery of all time.
Right?
Seriously, my line snapped off. It was in the water. I cast a muley. I get the line. We tie it back on and land the snapper that was still on.
You only lost your sinker. And all you lost was a sinker. There it is there. There's your line, mate. No sinker on the bottom of it.
I have never, ever seen anything like that. Oh, he was not getting off. He was well hooked. For one of the most unbelievable catches. Let's see if this works. Let's go on a little boat out there. Just this, see look, it's just like a piece of wire on a thing, but it's supposed to guide the hook out of its mouth. And it does. Beautiful. Oh.
Now, this is what you're going to do. Take your picture, right? This is all your recovery line back.
Let's put that there as well.
So that's your recovery line back.
Oh man.
72, 73.
70,
roughly.
I'll say 73.
Beautiful, bro.
Nice fatty. Oh, you beauty.
Yeah! How cool is that?
That's the most unbelievable thing.
The recovered line for the recovered fish. I can't believe it. Woo!